We were called out for a pool pump that stopped working, no circulation, odd noises, and pressure issues. After a full inspection, we diagnosed a failed pump motor. We replaced it with a brand new one, installed to manufacturer's specs. We tested and verified the entire system, and now it's running smooth and efficiently again. When it comes to saving time, money, and frustration, proper diagnosis and professional installation make all the difference. There's a reason we're backed by 5-star testimonials. Clients trust us to get the job done right.